Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Motionlapse mode to create preset gimbal movement on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So if you want to create a video, like a time-lapse video where the camera pans over by itself, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we need to enable the Hyperlapse option. So the Hyperlapse shooting mode. And then we're going to scroll from bottom to top to open up this menu right here. And then select Motionlapse. So we have Motionlapse right here. And then we can set the interval or the duration. So as you can see, it says 10 minutes is 2 seconds, which is pretty quick. And then you can swipe even more to change the duration of the video by yourself. So you can do from 5 minutes all the way to 10 hours. So it's going to be standing there for a long time. Then you can also change the interval over here. So once you're done setting up all of the settings, you can also change the resolution and the night mode. We can move on to the waypoints. And what waypoints are basically like keyframes where you set up from for the camera's movement, like from point A to point B. So let's set that up. I'm going to use 2 points for this one. And I'm going to enable screen always display so we actually see what's going on. So now what we're going to do, as you can see, it says rotate gimbal and then tap plus to add waypoint. What we need to do is rotate the camera. There we go. We just need to place the camera in the first position that we want. So I'm going to set it up something like this. And then I'm going to hit this plus icon right here. So just set up the camera where you want it to start. Hit the plus icon. And then just move it however you want. So I'm going to move it to this point. And then tap the plus icon again. And you can see now it's like a check mark. And what you can do is hit the icon on the right to preview how the camera is going to move. So you need to keep the device stable and then just click the icon. And it's just going to start moving slowly or however you set it up. And what you can do now is just start recording. Just hit the record button and it's going to start the recording. So let's just watch the camera movement. So there we go. As you can see, I hit the record button and the camera is moving a little. Do keep in mind that it's going to make really small movements depending on how long you've set up the video to be. So I've set the video to be 5 minutes, so it needs to complete its whole route in 5 minutes, which is going to take a while. But you can stop the video and still check it out whenever you want. And that is pretty much how you use the Motionlapse mode. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.